Good morning, students. Today we will see software requirement specification. So what is software requirement? Software requirement is a condition or capability needed by a user to solve a problem or achieve an objective. A condition of capability that must be met or processed by a system or system component to satisfy a contract, standard, specification, or other formally imposed document. So a documented representation of condition and capability is software requirement specification. So what are the types of software requirements? Software requirements are mainly classified into below three types. That is functional requirement, non-functional requirement, and domain requirement. Functional requirements describe what the software should do. They define the functions or features that the system must have. For example, user authentication. The system must allow users to log in using username and password. Search functionality. The software should enable users to search for a product by its name or category. Report generation. The system should be able to generate self-report or a specified report for a specified date range. So the functional requirements specify the actions that the software needs to provide. These are the basic features and functionality that user expects from the software. Okay. Next one is non-functional requirement. Non-functional requirement describes how the software performs a task rather than what it should do. They define the quality, attributes, performance criteria, and constraints. For example, performance. The system should process 1,000 transactions per second. Usability. The software should be easy to use and have user-friendly interface. Reliability. The system must have 99.9% of uptime. Security. Data must be encrypted during transmission and storage. Explanation. The non-functional requirements are about the system's behavior, quality, and constraints. They ensure that the software meets certain standards to perform usability, reliability, and security. And the last one is domain requirement. The definition of domain requirements are specific to the domain or industry in which the software operates. They include terminology, means, standards relevant to that particular organization or industry or domain. For example, healthcare. The software must comply with HIPAA regulations for handling patient data. In case of finance, the system should adhere to GAAP standards for financial reporting. In case of e-commerce, the software should support various payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and credit cards. Domain requirements reflect the unique needs and constraints of a particular industry. They ensure that the software is relevant and compliant with industry-specific regulations and standards. That's it for today. Thank you.